North Korea's leader Kim Jong-un is apparently losing weight so quickly that people in that country are worried for him. That's according to North Korea's tightly controlled media, and before and after videos compiled by Reuters do show he seems to be noticeably thinner. For example, earlier this month, North Korean TV aired footage of Kim attending a party meeting, but a different video that's said to be from only about 4 months earlier in February and is shot from the same angles shows a different figure. Foreign analysts had noticed the change several weeks ago, and on Sunday, North Korean TV did a rare segment on Kim's health. It broadcast video of North Koreans watching Kim on television. This man, said to be a Pyongyang resident, is saying that the leader looks emaciated and that it breaks the people's hearts. It's not clear why Kim may have lost weight, and the report didn't offer any details.